property nila yun eh. Property nila yun. So, yung property, although it's under litigation, whether it's with the angel or not, that's Iglesia property. That's a family within the compound. And that's theirs. Diba? That is theirs, although nag-aaway lang sila. Yung actual ownership. Basically, that's owned by them. So, hindi nila alam over the years kung ano na pinasok doon o hindi. Kaya nga, binigyan tayo ng ano dito, ng explicit permission. Just because maybe they would like to recover the property, malinis na rin yung property of anything illegal. Otherwise, charge pa sa kanila, kasi they don't know anything about this. Otherwise, hindi naman siguro nila pa-search na makita natin yan na napakarami.
So, just recall lang po, kasi remember, yung March 2 the operation po, we did it because there was an alleged armory because of two security guards.
No. It's not alleged armory. There was a shooting incident there.
Opo,
It's
but
not alleged armory.
the search warrant says po.
The reason why the search was done is because there was an alleged shooting incident. That, and then, yung sinasabi lang na armory, and of course, hindi kasi in-applyan yung kabila. There were several buildings there eh. So this yung una, doon lang sa building, kung saan talaga nakatira o nag-occupy si Ka-Angel. Okay? This one is from the other building. So you cannot search the whole compound with one search warrant kasi specific yung search warrant on that building only.